after-dinner conversation cards. Let's try one. If you were a bird, where would you fly, Donna?
South? I don't know, I'm nervous. I feel like I'm on Jeopardy.
If I were a bird, I'd fly to Laser Floyd.
I'd fly to Tahiti, because the girls there don't wear tops. Wait, but then I want to change back into myself, because no lady wants to make it with birds. Wait, can I be a monkey?
Okay. Nina!
I'd fly to my favorite place, the DMV.
I was just going to say that.
Rat, we haven't heard a peep out of you.
If I was a bird, I'd fly into a ceiling fan.